You ever catch yourself staring at a woman across the room, wondering what the hell is going through her mind? Not just the surface stuff, but the deep, unspoken layers that make her tick in ways that leave you baffled, frustrated, even a little scared. Yeah, that's where we're starting today, because if you're a man watching this, you've felt it. That nagging sense that women operate on a different wavelength, one that's invisible to most of us until it hits like a freight train. And trust me, these 4 psychological insights about women, they're the kind that surprise most men, the ones that make you rethink every interaction you've ever had. Buckle up, because we're diving into truths that feel like they've been hiding in plain sight, whispering in your ear all along. Think about it. You're in a relationship, or maybe just dating, and everything seems fine on the surface. But then she says something cryptic, pulls away without warning, or tests you in ways you didn't even realize were tests. You've been there, right? That moment when you replay conversations in your head at 3 a.m., trying to decode what went wrong. It's not just you, it's every man who's ever tried to understand a woman. We all live this confusion daily, but we rarely grasp why it happens. It's like walking through a fog. You know the path is there, but you can't see the pitfalls until you've stumbled into them. And the worst part? Society tells us it's simple. Be nice, be strong, provide, but that's a lie. The real psychological undercurrents run much deeper, shaping how women think, feel, and react in ways that catch us off guard every time. Let's start with the first insight. Women are wired to read emotional subtext like a book most men barely skim. Psychologically, this comes from something called emotional intelligence amplification. Women's brains often process nonverbal cues, tone shifts, and microexpressions at a speed that leaves men playing catch up. Picture this. You're at a party with your girlfriend, and you make a casual joke about an ex. To you, it's harmless banter, but she picks up on the slight hesitation in your voice, the way your eyes dart away for a split second. Suddenly, she's distant, and you're left wondering what you said wrong. Or at work, a female colleague seems upset after a meeting you think it was about the project failing, but really, she sensed your underlying frustration aimed at her idea, even if you never voiced it. This isn't magic, it's evolution at play. Studies show women's brains light up more in areas like the amygdala when processing emotions, making them hyper-aware of what's unsaid. In family settings, it's the same your mom or sister knows you're stressed before you do, because they catch the subtle slump in your shoulders. And on social media, women scroll and instantly decode the vibe behind a post, while men might just see the words. This insight surprises most men because we assume communication is straightforward, but for women, it's a multi-layered game where the real message is between the lines. But here's where it gets brutal. It hurts, but it's true. Most men ignore this emotional radar because admitting it means facing our own blind spots, and that vulnerability stings like hell. We pretend we're on equal footing, charging ahead with logic and facts, only to crash when emotions derail everything. Deep down, you know this avoidance has cost you missed connections, arguments that escalate out of nowhere, even lost relationships. It's uncomfortable to realize you've been navigating half blind, but ignoring it keeps you stuck in the same frustrating loop. And the pain? It's not just hers, it's yours, building resentment because you feel like you're always one step behind. Let me paint a picture you might recognize. Imagine you're on a third date with this amazing woman, smart, funny, the kind that makes your heart race. Dinner's going great, conversation flows, but then she mentions how her last guy was too distant. You nod, say something generic like, yeah, that sucks. But inside, you're thinking it's no big deal. Later, as you're walking her home, she goes quiet. You ask what's wrong, and she says, nothing. The next day, she texts less, and soon, it's over. What happened? She wasn't just sharing a story, she was subtly testing if you'd pick up on her need for emotional openness. In that moment, she read your response as detached, mirroring her ex. You didn't see it because you took her words at face value, but she was scanning for deeper assurance. Sound familiar? Maybe it was with your wife during a rough patch. She complains about feeling overwhelmed, and you offer solutions instead of just listening. She pulls away, and you're left confused. These scenarios play out everywhere. In friendships where a woman friend ghosts after you brush off her vent session, or in loneliness when single guys wonder why apps lead nowhere. It's not malice. It's her psychology protecting her from investing in someone who can't meet her emotional depth. Now, digging deeper into the second insight, the problem isn't just her reading you, it's how your own brain sabotages you by downplaying these cues to shield your ego. Psychologically, men often fall into cognitive dissonance, where we convince ourselves that emotions are her thing, not ours, to avoid the discomfort of vulnerability. Your mind lies to you, whispering that logic trumps feelings, but that's a defense mechanism rooted in societal conditioning. Think about it. From childhood, boys are taught to man up, suppressing emotional awareness, while girls are encouraged to express and interpret. So when a woman pulls away, your brain reframes it as her being moody instead of admitting you missed the signals. This internal sabotage creates a vicious cycle. You withdraw, she senses it, and the gap widens. In relationships, it manifests as you avoiding deep talks, labeling them drama, when really, your psyche is dodging the pain of potential rejection. At work, you might dismiss a female boss's feedback as over-emotional, missing the valid insights beneath. Even in solitude, scrolling social media, you see women's posts about connection and think, why complicate things? But your brain's protecting you from the truth. Embracing this would mean changing, and change hurts. And this is where it becomes dangerous if you keep ignoring these insights. The consequences pile up like a slow-burning fire. Relationships crumble not from big betrayals, but from 1,000 tiny misreads that erode trust over time. You end up alone, wondering why women seem unpredictable, when really, you've been blind to their psychological world. Professionally, it costs promotions or alliances because you fail to navigate team dynamics with emotional savvy. Family ties strain, your sister stops confiding. Your partner resents the emotional labor she carries alone. Socially, in a world amplified by apps and isolation, this disconnect fuels deeper loneliness, where men hit midlife realizing they've built walls instead of bridges. The intensity builds, picture years slipping by, regrets stacking until you're that guy staring at the ceiling, haunted by what ifs. It's not just uncomfortable, it's a path to quiet desperation, where the surprises keep coming, but the understanding never does. Quick pause. If you had to describe yourself in one word regarding these 4 psychological insights about women that surprise most men, what would it be? Write it in the comments, then we'll dive deeper. Alright, back to it, because understanding this is the key to flipping the script. Here's the major realization. These insights aren't about women being mysterious enigmas. They're about how our male psychology clashes with theirs in predictable ways, creating surprises that feel personal but are universal. The first 2, her emotional radar and your internal sabotage, connect to the third. Women's attraction often hinges on perceived emotional security, not just physical or status traits, which shocks men who think looks or money seal the deal. Psychologically, this stems from attachment theory. Women subconsciously seek partners who signal safety in vulnerability, surprising us because we prioritize surface-level wins. And the fourth? Women communicate desires indirectly to test authenticity, avoiding directness that might scare off insincere suitors. It's an evolutionary filter that leaves men guessing. Everything clicks, you've been approaching from logic, while she's operating from an emotional core. This aha moment hits like lightning. You're not defective, you've just been using the wrong map. Suddenly, past failures make sense, not as defeats, but as lessons in this hidden dynamic. So, how do you regain control? Start with a shift in perception. View every interaction as an emotional dialogue, not a transaction. Train yourself to pause and ask, what might she be feeling beneath the words? It's simple but transformative. Next time she shares a story, reflect it back. That sounds frustrating. Tell me more. This builds the connection she craves. Build a mental habit. Daily. Journal one nonverbal cue you noticed in a woman, her crossed arms signaling discomfort, or a genuine smile lighting her eyes. Over time, this sharpens your radar, closing the gap. And take a powerful action. In conversations, mirror her energy, subtly match her enthusiasm or calm to create subconscious rapport. No fluff, just practice in low-stakes settings like chatting with a barista. These aren't tricks, They're psychological alignments that empower you to meet her where she is, turning surprises into strengths. If this video resonates with you, simply write insights in the comments. This simple word helps tremendously and shows you understood. Now, as we wrap this up, remember, these truths aren't chains, they're keys to unlocking deeper bonds. If this type of content resonates with you, don't hesitate to subscribe to explore other psychological truths together. In the end, the greatest surprise isn't about women, it's realizing you held the power to understand them all along. If only you dared to look closer.